I want to talk to you about the best banks for a business with bad credit. So, if you are a business right now and you are the owner and you have bad credit, either at the business level or at the personal level, you want to watch this show till the end. So, here's a review I want you to pay attention to. So, the first bank that's great for a business with bad credit is Novo. We love the fact that Novo is really flexible here, and if you have a FICO score as low as 300, Novo will consider you. Not a problem at all. This is the best overall in our view. And if you are looking for let's say, a cost-efficient business checking account with no credit checks and you want flexibility, Novo really is the best fit for you. What we love about Novo is that, I mean, besides flexibility, they also have speed and execution. And the features we love with Novo is that you have features covering all the basic banking services your small business might be looking for, all at a very low cost. In addition, Novo discloses all its fees, so you have a clear idea what you're getting yourself into before actually signing anything. And as a user, you can easily access your check-in fee schedule on the website. And while your business will not benefit from an APY interest rate, the Novo checking account offers a broad set of features that will take your business's finances to the next level without adding any complexity to it. Especially if you have bad credit, Novo is really perfect. So as far as credit checks go, Novo makes it very clear that will not check your credit history once you apply for an account. In addition, having an account with Novo does not affect your credit score in the first place, because unless you start having like a series of overdrafts, okay? And so what really sets Novo aside in our view is its integrations. So as a business, you can connect Novo with a number of tools such as Shopify, Stripe, QuickBooks, and Xero. So in terms of flexibility and operational efficiency, this is really fantastic. And these features, when you think about it, help you as a business track your sales within payment platforms, sync transactions to accounting software, and easily send money overseas. So Novo is actually also supported by Google Pay and Apple Pay, so you won't need to carry your plastic around when shopping for your business, okay? And also, as a Novo user, you get access to discounts and credits with partner companies such as Stripe, Booking.com, Google Cloud, and Gusto. But the thing is that Novo, and this is a big, Novo requires a minimum of $50 as an opening deposit. Also, there are charges for NSF, non-sufficient funds, and UCF, uncollected funds, of $27 each. Boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. The second bank that's really great for businesses with bad credit is BlueVine. And BlueVine is a great business checking account, but also they are great when it comes to lending. Now, their requirements for lending are stricter than their requirements for a business checking account opening, okay? So this is kind of cool, and we love the fact that BlueVine is great for earning interest. So the BlueVine business checking account comes in a close second in our evaluation because it offers a broad set of banking features at nearly zero cost. The company doesn't require a minimum deposit to open an account and doesn't even charge monthly fees, insufficient funds fees, or incoming wire fees. So one of the main benefits of the BlueVine business checking account, besides the fact that it takes you if you have bad credit, is also its competitive APY interest rate. APY just means annual percentage yield. So while most services won't even reach 1%, BlueVine allows businesses to earn, your business for instance, to earn up to 1.5% interest. It means what? It means that eligible users such as you, can earn 50 times the US average on balances up to and including $100,000. So, and BlueVine lets you easily schedule one-time and recurring payments and manage bills. Furthermore, the mobile app allows you to check your balance, deposit checks, and set up transfers. BlueVine can also be integrated with QuickBooks and sync your business's bill information. The company also shows you to lock your card if it gets lost or stolen. So this is really, really cool. And so BlueVine actually falls short in a few things: the number of users for a single account. In other words, there's no joint account, which might be a problem for multi-owner businesses. Also, since it's an online-only bank, account holders have no access to a physical branch, and in case you just need to issue a deposit, there is a $4.95 fee per deposit. So, but we chose it because BlueVine actually offers a free business checking account for businesses with bad credit, and for users who also love unlimited transactions and no extra cost. So you have no monthly fees, minimum opening deposit or minimum balance requirements. You have unlimited fee-free transactions. You have up to a 1.5% interest rate, no joint accounts. That's important to remember, though. So yeah, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about the best banks for business with bad credit. Next, you have a Lending Club. So Lending Club is another player that actually it's another great bank for a business with bad credit, and it's the best online business checking account for cash back. And what we love about Lending Club is that it offers a comprehensive business checking account. So in addition to the complete set of banking services, it also offers APY, although its interest rate is lower than its competitors. And the company also goes beyond digital banking. It offers a fee-free ATM access and point-of-sale solutions, which can be great for small businesses. Okay, so and what we love about this account is that applying to this account is quick and easy. As a user, you can open an account in about 10 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes. And so regarding credit checks, Lending Club only pulls a hard inquiry when users apply for a credit card, mortgage, small business loan, or other sort of credit, and they only do it once the loan is approved. Being declined for a loan does not affect your credit score, and so as a user, you can also get a soft inquiry and check your credit score with Lending Club. However, the thing is that Lending Club is not checking your credit score before approving your checking accounts. And Lending Club offers a perk that not many checking accounts offer. You have a cashback of up to 1%. So as a user, you can earn back to 1% of your money or on online and signature-based transactions made with your debit card. In addition, as a user, you can earn 0.10% interest on APY. However, both of those benefits are only available for users that maintain an average monthly balance of $5,000 or more. So, but we love Lending Club because it is actually a hybrid between an established bank and a fintech. So this is kind of cool. But you do have a $100 minimum opening deposit, and you got to have $10 monthly fees waived with $5,000 as a minimum balance. I want to talk to you about another bank for a business with bad credit. We are talking about Lily. And Lily is kind of cool for tax optimization. Of course, they actually they do not check your credit. And so the Lily business checking account is perfect for one-person businesses who just need essential banking services. And Lily has all the perfect checking account features a small business might be looking for and a competitive APY interest rate. So, but more than that, it also offers the features that help small business owners manage their companies, such as tax optimization features and accounting tools. So that's kind of cool in terms of flexibility also. And a fee-free overdraft of up to $200 is also available, which is really excellent if you think about it for managing cash flow. And but now the only drawback of Lily's business checking account is that it is only eligible for sole proprietors and single member LLCs. So if you are looking for a bank for a business with bad credit and you're looking for a multi-member LLC, you're not going to qualify with Lily. As an account with essential banking services, you will not, as a user, be able to access additional banking services such as additional debit cards and third-party integration. Like most online-only banks, as a user, you can't make cash deposits. But Lily actually stands out from other checking accounts because it has exclusive features. The tax optimizer provides you as a user with a write-off tracker, an estimated tax calculator, and automatic tax savings. In addition, Lily also comes with accounting tools such as invoicing software, transaction categorizations, quarterly expense reports, and receipts scan and save. So this is kind of cool. Now, if you are concerned about bad credit or credit checks at all, don't worry because Lily discloses right up front on its page that opening an account will not hurt your credit score. So Lily offers a fee-free overdraft at zero cost, no minimum balance requirements or a minimum opening deposits, and exclusive features such as a tax optimizer and accounting tools. So that's kind of cool in terms of flexibility. If that's what you are after when it comes to opening a new account. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about the best banks for a business with bad credit. Next, you also have a Wells Fargo. I mean, this is the first traditional bank that also offers, that also helps you if you want to qualify for a business checking account and you have bad credit. And Wells Fargo actually has a floor, though. Their floor is a 400 FICO score, and you should not have any sort of derogatory item that relates to Wells Fargo. In other words, you should not be owing money to Wells Fargo for them to work with you. So Wells Fargo actually offers a comprehensive set of banking services, which is a great option for businesses looking for broader features. And the bank has different account plans too. You can start with a basic account and move up as your business grows. Its convenient payment options also allow your business, for instance, to pay vendors, employees, and bills using its full set of payment services. So with Wells Fargo, you as a business owner have access to a full range of services at the tip of your fingers. So you have the bank's mobile app that allows you to access your account at any time. If you do not want to carry around your wallet, let's say all day long, simply add your debit card to your digital wallet and get access to fast and secure payments, as well as a variety of ATMs. So this is really good. Also, if you are often on the go, Wells Fargo moves with you. It offers alerts that help you monitor account balances, track purchases, and cash withdrawals. Finally, Wells Fargo offers a second chance business checking accounts, meaning you can get access to basic checking services no matter your credit score. This is kind of cool. So for small business owners who are looking for a wider range of banking services, Wells Fargo is the way to go. In addition to a number of digital banking services, Wells Fargo also comes with the traditional perks small business owners might value. There are over 12,000 ATMs across the U.S. and approximately 4,900 branches from coast to coast in case there is a need for in-person attention. And withdrawals have a charge fee when using a non-Wells Fargo ATM. So this is kind of cool in terms of the drawback and also in terms of how this player actually operates. I want to talk to you about the approach you need to really pay attention to as you're trying to as you're looking for the best bang for business with bad credit. You got to have a certain approach, and it's important to really understand that you want to go for a bank that has no credit checks because regular banks, traditional banks, and credit unions, they have in some cases credit checks that will check your TransUnion, your Equifax, or Experian to make sure that you have a good credit score. I mean, even though there is no correlation between a business checking account and credit, they might still check your credit. So you want to make sure that the bank or credit union actually has stated specifically that they do not check credit scores. You also want to look at low cost and transparency because when we talk about a business checking account, you want to make sure that you don't have to actually give the bank all your hard-earned revenue. It's all about having low cost. And we're talking here about looking at the low minimum deposit. You also want to think about all the ancillary services. You also want to analyze access to basic services to kind of see if this bank is really worth it, because simply because they are accepting you if you have bad credit doesn't mean that's the best service around, right? So a good checking account should properly allow you to pay bills, make purchases, receive deposits, and carry out withdrawals. However, since most businesses these days are going fully digital, not offering this perks it's not going to help you at all. So you want to actually discard those banks that are going to like they're not giving you the proper UX and UI user experience and user interface that you really need. Also extra features. So you want to look at the business checking accounts that offer features that help all kinds of businesses manage their business. Their operations, either via a wide set of integrations or other types of resources. And that will be really helpful. So business checking accounts that are able to connect and sync information with other software and services are actually are going to help you down the road. Okay. Also, you want to look at interest. So, if you have an APY, this could be also another possibility to go for that service. Let me actually close to this conversation by giving you the specs that you need to pay attention to as you actually navigate the realm of the best banks for a business with bad credit. And it's important to understand that when we talk about having a business checking account, the thing is that you are going to help segregate your finances from the business's finances by actually having a business checking account. So you are talking about making sure that you are able to manage business finances exclusively through the account. So things like payments, deposits, transferring money to linked personal savings or business savings, withdrawals at ATMs, and peer-to-peer payments. You want to really control everything from the business checking accounts. And so when we talk about business checking accounts, we are speaking about revenue. We're talking about revenue. We're talking about inflows and outflows, cash inflows and cash outflows. And this includes actually receiving deposits from customers, paying suppliers and employees, paying taxes, and covering the business's expenses. The main reason for opening a business. Let me drink some water here. Okay. So the main reason for opening a business checking account is to manage your business's finances separate from your personal life. Okay. And so when we talk about small business, you have all kinds of checking accounts that are great for small businesses. Especially you want to go for those that offer the basic banking services every company needs. So in addition to separating business from personal finances, this type of accounts allow all kinds of companies to move money around and prepare for taxes and establish a financial presence. And you want to establish that financial presence, especially if you are going to seek credit later on. And it doesn't have to cost a lot to open a business account, even if you have bad credit as a business owner. I mean, the cost to open an account can be next to zero. Many online banking services, such as those that we just mentioned today, do not require a minimum deposit opening and don't charge monthly fees. However, depending on the type of financial service you are looking for, you might want to go with a business checking account with a broader set of services, which might incur fees. And the requirements the requirement for opening a business checking accounts are pretty standard, though. I mean, it doesn't matter whether you have good credit or bad credit. You might actually have to provide your personal ID, such as a government issued photo ID or social security number or EIN, employer identification number. You might also have to provide some of your business's documents, such as the TIN for the business or licenses. So TIN, we're speaking about the taxpayer identification number. So this is in a nutshell, what you have to really think about. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. I was just talking to you today about the best banks for a business with better credit. So I gave you the review, the approach, and now the specs. So in the review, we talked about Novo, BlueVine, Ling Club, Lily, and Wells Fargo. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll speak to you another time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.